back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to fix wireless charging not working on Motorola phones. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to end, click on system and click on system and update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on battery and click on charging. So enable fast wireless charging. After enable fast wireless charging, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, restart device. Just click and hold side power button and volume up button at that time. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.